Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best golf accessories is probably one of the most essential categories for any man looking to elevate his game on the course, offering a blend of performance enhancement, comfort, and style that can make a significant difference in every swing and putt. From precision tools that refine technique to comfort-enhancing gear that keeps you focused through all 18 holes, the right accessories aren't just add-ons, they are crucial components of a successful golfing experience, ensuring you're equipped to tackle any challenge the course throws your way. Number 5. THIODOON Golf Club Brush with Retractable Zipline. Introducing the THIODOON Golf Club Brush, featuring an oversized double brush head that's 2.5 times larger than standard brushes. Its powerful combination of nylon and steel bristles tackles dirt and grime, saving you time and effort on the course. Crafted with high-quality nylon and steel wool bristles, this brush is designed for durability. The bristles resist bending and shedding, ensuring it remains a reliable tool for long-term use, no matter how much pressure you apply. Experience a comfortable grip with its ergonomically designed handle. Made from high-quality ABS plastic, it minimizes hand pressure and provides excellent control and traction, even during tough cleaning tasks. Never lose your cleaning tool again. It features a sturdy aluminum carabiner and a 2-foot retractable zipline, allowing you to easily attach it to your golf bag for quick access and secure storage. This versatile brush is perfect for all your golf clubs. Use the nylon bristles for general dust and grass removal, the wire bristles for stubborn dirt on irons, and the retractable spike for grooves and soles. The retractable groove cleaner safely tucks away when not in use, preventing scratches on your golf bag. Keep your clubs in pristine condition and elevate your game with this essential golf accessory. What we like. This golf club brush boasts an oversized dual head design for superior cleaning power, tackling both nylon and wire bristles for stubborn dirt. Its retractable groove cleaner ensures safety and convenience. If you're looking for a brush that offers maximum cleaning efficiency and durability for all types of club grime, this is the one for you. What people say. The golf accessories are well made and durable, ensuring they will last through many rounds of golf. The design of the accessories is sleek and modern, adding a touch of style to any golfer's bag. The functionality of these accessories is excellent, with features that make them easy to use and highly effective on the course. Number 4. 2-7 Golf Towel Brush and Divot Toolkit. Introducing our value pack of 3 microfiber golf towels. They're perfectly sized to clip onto your golf bag or belt, ensuring you always have a clean one ready for your ball or clubs. This innovative divot tool features a foldable design to protect your pockets and fingers. It also doubles as a groove cleaner, easily removing mud and debris from your clubs. Keep your clubs pristine with our sturdy club brush. Its retractable carabiner easily attaches to your bag, allowing for quick and efficient cleaning of irons right on the fairway. Crafted from microfiber, these towels absorb less water than cotton, making them easier to wash and carry. Choose from multiple colors to match your style. This comprehensive package includes 3 jumbo microfiber golf towels, a foldable divot tool, and a powerful club brush. Everything you need for a great game. What we like. This package offers exceptional value with 3 microfiber golf towels, a handy foldable divot tool with a groove cleaner and magnetic ball marker, and a club brush. If you need a comprehensive cleaning and maintenance set that provides backups and multiple tools in one convenient package, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The golf accessories are well made and durable. The design of the golf accessories is sleek and modern. These golf accessories are very functional and easy to use. Number 3. Golf Essentials Kit. Introducing the Golf Essentials Kit, your perfect companion for every game. It includes all the must-have accessories you need on the course, conveniently bundled together. Keep everything you need within easy reach. This complete set of golf bag accessories attaches directly to your bag, offering ultimate convenience and accessibility. Maintain peak performance with our highly absorbent microfiber towel. It's perfect for keeping your clubs clean and wiping away sweat, ensuring you stay focused on your game. Effortlessly clean your clubs with the retractable 2-sided brush. Its strong bristles and groove cleaner effectively remove dirt and grass, keeping your equipment in top condition. Fix the course with ease using our durable, foldable divot repair tool. Made from strong metal, it also features an integrated magnetic ball marker for your convenience. Looking for the ideal gift for the golfer in your life? This comprehensive kit makes a fantastic present for both men and women, offering essential accessories for any golf enthusiast. What we like. This kit is designed for ultimate convenience, bundling all your essential golf accessories into one package. It includes a water brush, towel, club brush, ball marker, divot repair tool, and ball and tee holder. If you're a golfer who values having everything organized and readily accessible on the course, this all-in-one solution is perfect for you. What people say. The golf glove has a great grip. The golf balls are durable and perform well. The golf bag is lightweight and has plenty of storage. Number 2. FootJoy Men's WeatherSof Golf Glove. Introducing the FootJoy Men's WeatherSof Golf Glove, designed for the discerning golfer. Experience superior performance and comfort on the course. Built with advanced performance leather in key stress areas, it offers enhanced feel, durability, and grip. This ensures it stands up to the demands of your game. Enjoy an extraordinary fit thanks to our exclusive FiberSoft material. It provides the perfect combination of a consistent fit, soft feel, and a secure grip. The proprietary ComfortTab closure adjusts easily for a secure and reliable fit. You'll appreciate the comfortable feel throughout your round. Featuring soft PowerNet mesh across the knuckles, it enhances breathability and flexibility. Stay comfortable and maintain your grip, no matter the conditions. What we like. These golf gloves are crafted with advanced performance leather for enhanced durability and grip in key areas. The exclusive FiberSoft material ensures an extraordinary, consistent fit and soft feel. If you prioritize a glove that offers superior feel, longevity, and comfort during your game, these are a fantastic option. What people say. The golf accessories are well made and durable. The design of the golf accessories is sleek and modern. The functionality of the golf accessories is excellent, making them easy to use on the course. Number 1. Titleist Standard Tour Performance Golf Hat. Introducing the Titleist Standard Tour Performance Golf Hat. Designed for comfort and style on the course. Crafted with a blend of 97% polyester and 3% spandex, this hat offers a comfortable and flexible fit. It features a new structured front panel for a classic look and feel. This hat is made with performance material to keep you comfortable during your game. Stay protected from the sun with UV treatment offering 50+ UPF protection. The standard curve bill provides a timeless aesthetic, perfect for any golfer. What we like. This Tour Performance hat is made with a performance material that offers UV protection up to 50+ UPF, keeping you safe from the sun. It features a new structured front panel for a classic look. If you're looking for a stylish and functional hat that provides excellent sun protection and a comfortable fit for long days on the course, this is a great pick. What people say. The golf accessories are designed with high-quality materials, ensuring durability and long-lasting use on the course. The innovative design of these accessories makes them incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. Each accessory serves a specific function that genuinely enhances the golfing experience, from improved grip to better ball tracking. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.